Hello, my name is Lulu Awwalia Maskur. In this video, I'll be using the genre-based approach or GBA to teach reading and writing skills. Before I begin the teaching demonstration, let me explain briefly what this method is about. According to the Dewianka 23 and Highline 27, GBA is a teaching method that helps students learn language through different types of text called genres. It shows how texts are structured and used for specific purposes in communication. So, instead of focusing only on grammar, students explore how language works within real text they read and write. The main aim of it is to help students understand how language works in context and produce texts that are suitable for different purposes and audiences. In short, students learn not only what a text says, but also how and why it is written that way. Now, let's look at the main principles of the GBA. First, explicit teaching. This means the teacher clearly explains the purpose, structure, and language features of the text, so students can see how it works. Second, contextual learning. Texts are connected to real topics and audiences, so students learn to use language for authentic communication. Third, scaffolding. Teachers provide guidance and support at the beginning, then gradually reduce it as students become more independent. Fourth, step-by-step learning. Students move from simpler to more complex texts, allowing them to develop their reading and writing skills progressively. And finally, language for meaningful communication. Grammar and vocabulary are not taught separately, but as tools to help students express ideas clearly and appropriately for their intended audience. Now, for its stages, GBA follows four main stages known as the teaching learning cycle. The first stage is building knowledge of the field. In this stage, students discuss the topic, brainstorm ideas, and learn key vocabulary related to the text they will read and write. This helps them build thicker knowledge and prepare for the next step. The second stage is modeling of the text. Here, the teacher introduces one or more model texts. Together, the class analyzes the structure, purpose, and language features, so students understand what makes the text effective. The third stage is joint construction of the text. Here, the teacher and students write the text together, combining ideas collaboratively while the teacher provides guidance and feedback. And the fourth stage is independent construction of the text. Students write their own text individually, then review and revise based on the teacher's peer feedback. Through these stages, students move step by step from understanding and analyzing text to producing their own writing independently. Alright, here are the references I use. Okay, that's it for the explanation of GBA. Now let's move on to the teaching demonstration part to see how this method works in practice. Good morning, class!
Good morning, Miss.
Today we're going to learn about the discussion text, and our topic is the impact of artificial intelligence on jobs. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the structure of discussion text and write a short paragraph about it. But before I get into the topic, I want to ask you, do you think AI help workers or does it replace them? What do you think? Please?
I think yes, because it makes tasks easier.
Okay, anyone else?
I think AI can replace some human job.
Okay, so there are different viewpoints about AI and jobs. Now, this is the list of vocabulary that will appear in the text. Let's say them together. Please repeat after me. Automate is make something automatic.
Make something automated.
Please look at this. Guys, please look at this. Now, efficient is fast and effective.
fast and effective.
Replace is
Replace is
take the place of.
take the place of.
Unemployment is
Unemployment is
losing jobs.
losing job.
Creativity is
Creativity is
ability to create idea.
ability to create ideas.
Opportunity is
Opportunity is
change or possibility.
change or possibility.
Great. Now please read this text silently. Please read it carefully and observe it because I will ask you about it later. I'll give you a few seconds. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you notice appears first in the text? Please.
The positive argument.
Nice. And what comes after that? Please.
The negative point.
Right. And how does the text end?
With a blank conclusion.
Exactly. You were able to identify the text by just reading and noticing the text. Now, let's try building a short paragraph together. We're not writing a full text, just one short paragraph that includes the pattern, the structure, and with the same topic. Let's start with positive point. Think about how does AI help workers? Please.
AI helps workers finish tasks faster to reduce small mistakes.
Nice. And next, let's add a concern. What is something people worry about AI in jobs? Please.
Some workers might lose their job.
Okay, and to finish, we need a balance point. What can you say? Please.
Humans are still needed for creativity.
Great, good job, guys. Now, it's time for you to work individually. Write one discussion paragraph right before and focusing on this. Positive sentence, negative sentence, and balanced sentence. The topic is still the same about AI and jobs, and just write 3 sentences, just one paragraph. Start now. Okay, time's up, guys. Now, who would like to share their work? Please.
AI makes work faster and easier for many workers. However, some people are afraid that machine may take over their job. While AI is helpful, companies still need human for creativity and important decisions.
Okay, good job. Clear structure, but you could improve the pronunciation. But overall, good job. Now, before we finish, let's take a quick reflection. What did we learn today? Please.
This question takes us to read.
Yes, and please.
It usually has a positive point, a negative point, and a blessed conclusion.
Yes, and we practice writing with that structure. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys. Good job.